This is a new model aluminum trailer by Aluma. This is the model 8116. It's 81 inches long, or 81 inches wide, 16 foot long. They make it in 16, 18, and 20 foots. I've got the 16 and the 18 foot both in stock right now. It's all aluminum frame construction. This model has the 12-inch solid side rails that you can pull in and out, as well as the 6 foot long. We'll wait on that plane to get over. Plane's all messing up my video. So it has the 6 foot long pull out ramps that you can use in the side. Haul your 4-wheeler on, golf cart, whatever else you got, and then still load something on from the back. Got the bifold tailgate on the back so that you got less wind drag when going down the road. The bifold tailgate is actually a stronger tailgate than the standard one-piece tailgate. And these side rails are removable. You can pull these side rails out if you want to haul something bigger, like say a car, tractor, or something like that. It's got two 3,500-pound torsion axles, so you got the upgraded suspension, radial tires, standard on all aluminum trailers, and aluminum mag wheels. Both fenders are removable. Again, that's the Aluma 8116 SR is the model.